After we installed and glassed over our PVC pipe, Eric dug them out and we put a couple additional pieces of tabbing over them.
Now that this is done, the boys have a few more spots to get ground and we can focus on getting the stringers injected with our foam.
Rock.
You just keep going.
After they cut down the initial injection, Joe came back, filled in the spots Eric needed filled in, a little trimming here and there. Really is the best tool. Nice.
Joe and Eric have knocked all the foam down, blocked and boarded it level with the tops of the stringers, and gone in there and even tweaked all the corners like Eric is doing here. We then applied multiple coats of fiberglass laminate to the tops of the stringers to encapsulate the foam.
What Eric's doing here is fairing what it will end up being the inside forward storage wells. All right, after lunch, Eric's going to get back up here, continuing fairing out our inner wells. And we're not fairing these like the side of a hull. We're just getting rid of our fiberglass lines. They are storage wells. We do want to make them have a little bit better of a finish than just a fiberglass finish, so we'll give them a skim and then coat them in our bilge coat. The rest of our inner valves will be coated in. Voila.